G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here with you. Now, I know I've done a few videos on tyres recently and I don't particularly want to be covering tyres every single video, but I just wanted to talk a little bit as I'm travelling at the moment up to Sydney about my particular thought process that I'm going through right now when it comes to tyres. As you would have known, I did my recent video, the last video, which you can see was my 65,000k final review of my BF Goodrich KM3s. Now, I was a little bit taken back that at the time, I'm not going to go through it, you can watch the video, but the tyres are worn out quicker than I anticipated. And that was due to the fact that I did a lot more highway driving than what was the plan. And therefore the tyres just wore out a little bit quicker because being a softer compound and stuff. Now, I had to replace those tyres, which I have done, and I now currently have the original tyres that I have, what came with the vehicle back in 2015 when I purchased this Hilux, and I've whacked them back on the Hilux. Now, I plan on doing a little bit of off-roading with these tyres as well, because a lot of people are really in the I'm not sure if I really want to upgrade my tyres to all-terrains or anything like that. I just sort of want to stick with what they come with, and can I do a little bit of off-roading? So I'm going to demonstrate hopefully very soon that can be done. But you know, as I just said, that's another tyre video, which I'm trying to avoid doing too many tyre videos in a row. So that will be coming out a little bit later when I look down that path. Now, of course, I have replaced my KM3s, and I did decide to go with another set of KM3s. Now, why is that? Well, first of all, they were fantastic tyres off-road, and I probably tried to praise them, or maybe didn't praise them enough in that last video, but your sure-footedness off-road on dirt tracks and stuff like that were too good to give up. So, as you can probably tell, my strategy so far is that I'm going to be doing highway commuting and stuff like that on a highway terrain tyre. And when it comes to a weekend away and or an off-road session that I plan, I'm just going to swap the tyres over with the KM3s. And that way I'm going to be able to keep them a bit longer, run them a bit longer, I should say, not keep them a bit longer. And therefore I should be able to get the best of both worlds. The fuel economy and stuff like that for when I'm cruising down the highway, and of course the fantastic, wonderful off-road performance you get from a tyre when you want to go off-road. Now, there are other considerations. Why not just go an all-terrain, you might ask? Well, I did the all-terrain path, and the thing is, an all-terrain is not an all-terrain, it's a compromise. And what kind of compromise are we talking here? Well, you're not going to get the best on-road economy, but also you're not getting the best off-road sort of situation there, where you're going to be looking at the possibility of, you know, I need more traction off-road, or I need more fuel economy, or these tyres are generally wearing too quick, or whatever the case might be. But, you know, the strategy I'm employing right now, I'm 100% aware, is not probably a good one for everyone. Sometimes you just want to have a set of tyres on there. If you see a track, excuse me, bit of a cough from my extended cough from my recovery of COVID. But it does limit that possibility of going to find a track when you're just somewhere and going, oh well, I don't have my off-road tires in the back of the car, so that's kind of why all-terrains and stuff exist. But for me, given my circumstances at the moment, where I do a ton of commuting, this strategy might actually work. At least I hopefully think it will work, and it could work for you as well. If you have purchased a four-wheel drive and it comes with highway terrain tires, maybe consider getting either a set of all-terrains or mud terrains on a second set of rims, because if you don't go off-road that often, then the possibility of just swapping the tires around for your beach holiday or your off-road adventure that you might have, if you only go away a couple of times a year, then that might work in your favor, because I can tell you right now, tire prices have gone up, and replacing a set of highway terrains is going to be far cheaper than replacing a good set of all-terrains, let alone mud terrains. So if you want to see any other videos about tires and stuff like that, because I've just mentioned I don't want to continually make tire videos, please hit me up in the comments, because that might change my mind. If you have any other questions about tires, please hit me up in the comments, or any of the previous tire videos I've got. As I mentioned quickly, and I will not want to retread too much ground, I plan on doing a little bit of light off-roading with these tires to show it's possible, just in case that's the thing that you're thinking about. Alright guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and I'll catch you in the next one.